Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money from Wise to Revolut. The first thing I want you to do is actually just go open up your Revolut account. Okay, on your app, just click on details to view the account details for that specific currency. So here, keep note of the details. And then to receive money from Wise and send it to Revolut, you go open up your Wise app. You can click here on send money. Choose your currency that you're sending. In this case, you can do euros or Great British pounds, whatever is the case with your Revolut account. Choose that, and you choose how much you're sending. Basically, see how much the recipient will get, and you'll pay with, let's say, your debit card, or you can change your payment option. Basically, what you want to do is come here, add your recipient. Okay, basically yourself. You can enter their email; it's optional, and then you enter their bank details. So you enter the full name of your account, right, on Revolut, the bank name, the details basically as per Revolut, branch name, account number, and confirm, and send the money from Wise, and it will arrive to Revolut account. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.